Hello, Tomo. If you remember this from one of your streams, you flew a certain spacecraft in Star Wars Battlefront, and at the LEGO store I decided to buy the exact same spaceship that you flew. Think of this as like a gift or something, I don't know.
I don't know what this is! What is this? How do I fly this? Oh god. Oh god. I didn't do. Okay, that one is a bit heavy.
I really hope you enjoyed my speed build video, and I'm sure to build probably another thing. I don't know what it will be, but I hope you enjoyed this speed build, and especially Tomo. So I'll see you next time.